Alright guys, welcome to another episode of MEXI-CAN'T. Today we're back on the 72 K20. Alright, so check out what I ran into here the other day. Just notice this. Let's see if you guys can see it. Light it a little closer. Alright, so sorry, it's real hard to see. See if you can see right there. A little bit right there. See that one and that one. So this one is the one that runs down to the starter, and it looks like it got bad connection. So I'm gonna pull this off. So we got to do to get this fixed, reattached, or bypass it. One of the two. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet. Let's see if we can do any kind of repairs on it. But that's where we're at today. I got a guy coming out to look at this thing on Saturday, so I would like to have it tip-top and ready to go. So that's the project for today, guys. Alrighty, stay tuned, and we'll see what we can do. Alright guys, hold on, here we go. Well, that's drop number one. Let's see how many more times we gotta do this. I'll be back. And just like that, I'm back. Let's see what kind of trouble we're in here. This thing comes off. Great. Alright, let me figure out how this thing comes off. Alright. I'm back. That should be it. Let's see. Okay, that's what I thought. Just a screwdriver. Pull it off. Let's see what kind of damage we're going to cause here, people. Something fell out. I'm not sure what it was. Alright. Now let's go look in here. Maybe I can take a better look at that. See how it's kind of fried there. Well, that doesn't do me any good because I'd have to bypass that bad boy because does not look like there's a way to depin that and to fix it. So, alright, I might go do some more research on that. See if I can. See if it can be depinned and replaced. Okay. Well, let's figure it out, guys. I'll get back with you. If not, might just bypass this bad boy all the way to the inside, cut it off of here, run in there, and just bypass, because that does not look good. And I don't want this thing to cause a fire for somebody else. So, alrighty. Let me figure out what I'm going to do, and I'll get right back with you guys. Alright, guys, let's give you a different angle here. From what I can tell, these things have a weird little clip that just squeeze them, push them out. Let's see if I can get this out of here. There it goes. Well, got it out. Now how do we fix it? Now that is nasty. Oh yeah. Ugh. That's pretty disgusting. Alright, let me go grab some carburetor cleaner or something to clean that thing off with. Alright. Brake cleaner to the rescue, hopefully. Alright guys, I don't have another one of these clips to put on there, so this thing is soldered on here, all kinds of crap. Let's see. Definitely need to get replaced. Check that out. Y'all can see that right there. Move y'all back down this way. Look at that little guy. Only 2 little wires left. So, yeah, back. You can kind of see the way those clips come out. You squeeze one side, push it back down through, it'll pop right out. So I'll have to push this back out just a little bit so it'll clip back in after, or if I can get this opened up. Alrighty guys, let me get this out of here. Let me get it, see if I can show you how I fix this in just a minute. I'll get back with you. Alright guys, I'm back. Let's see what we can make happen here. Alright, cut that back. So, do this a little bit different. See if it works. All right, we're going to put a solder stick on there so we can weatherproof it. Where did the... What do I do with the clip? Oh, there it is. Put it up here to protect it. I lost it. All right, so let's see. So we can get it clipped in here. That's that going in. You have to go take a little bit more out of this thing. Yep. All right, that's not gonna work. All right, be right back. I need to take a little bit more out of this. All right, we're back. Let's try this out one more time. See if we got enough open in there. Put a big one on there. Let's see if we can get a big one. Looks like it will. Let's see. this is what I did, guys. What do you think? Crimp it, then put a little solder stick behind it. Throws in and gets all the solder in there. It was soldered before. Gets weatherproof and behind it. Then I try to put it in there. All right, let's see if it works. Why is it not clipping? Let's see. Close to being far enough in. Alright, so I need to cut some of that back. Oopsie. Alright, take a break. Alright, we can just get this thing to snap in there. That'll be good. Let's try that. That's getting close. Oh yeah, it's clipped in. Perfect. Alright guys, so bring it over to see what we did here. Alright, so as you can see right there, I re-clipped it. Then I put a little clip on there, and it's weatherproofed in there. I'll cut this one off here in a second. But it's clipped in, all reset. Alright, let's put it back together now. Alright, there we go. Let's cut this one off. Right here. Let's get this back on here. Reinsert. Alright, now what did I do with the screw? Screws over here. All right, guys. As you can see, she's back to normal. Connections are redone. All right, this is a little short one, but I don't know if that's the correct way to fix that, but you depin it, recrimp it, put the wire back, and I think we're good. Just, you know, bad connection, or over the years just getting moved back and forth, just causes you to lose some of those wires, get a bad connection, start burning up. Yeah, everything else still look good, so I think we're good. Guys, this is just a little short episode, but all right, I hope you liked it. If you did, please click the subscribe button and or the like button, and follow along. I still got a lot more stuff coming up. This truck hopefully will be gone here in the next week or two. If that's the case, then I can get the 1948 Jeep Willys up here and start working on that one. Alrighty, guys, thanks for following along. Thanks, bye.